So I've been working on this Pat McAfee video for a while, but then while I'm still editing this video, this news breaks that now he's going to be joining Monday Night Countdown. And he's basically replacing Ryan Clark. So for all those people who said, I just want to hear sports and not politics, they bring in a guy in Pat McAfee who just hung out with Trump at the Patriot games. Well, okay, fine. I don't want no politics about sports. Okay. I want this to happen because Pat McAfee will still have his daily show on ESPN. They're shoehorning him into Monday Night Football Countdown, and he's still going to be on College Game Day. I want this overexposure so much because even his fans will get tired of his shtick. And the thing about Pat McAfee that's always been amazing to me is that he doesn't have a broad reach. He has a successful podcast reach. On YouTube, his numbers are almost at 3 million subscribers. Now, he's been on ESPN for over a year, and he still just about have 3 million subscribers. And on a daily basis, his daily show, when it's live stream, reaches about 410 to 425,000 people. So if you put him on Monday Night Countdown, because I'm sure they put out a press release, oh my God, he has a broad reach, he's going to bring people in. Who? If your daily show is only bringing in around 400,000 people, how many more people are you going to bring in? I've said this before. Their best guy when it comes to the NFL that they're not using is Louis Riddick. Louis Riddick actually should be in the booth. He's the most knowledgeable guy they have about at NFL because he makes sense. He's the coolest dresser at ESPN. And Louis is just cool. And that's the problem. Louis too good at his job. They'd rather have a guy wearing belt buckles and tank tops, singing honky tonk, putting out horrible country albums. Yeah, that's who we want. With his 400,000 viewers daily, with barely almost 3 million subscribers on YouTube. Oh yeah, he's gonna bring out a lot of people. This reminds me very much as when ABC, I think in the early 2000s, brought in Rush Limbaugh. Same thing, Rush Limbaugh probably had more listeners than Pat McAfee when he was on the radio. But again, it's a niche audience. And they brought Rush in, and Rush only lasted a month on Monday Night Football because people didn't like it. Now, Pat McAfee, I feel like Pat McAfee, he'll finish out I think he'll be on Monday Night Countdown for the year. Hell, he might be there for 2 years. But sooner or later, this Pat McAfee barstool, bussin' boys audience that they're trying to gravitate to, they're going to look at the numbers, and it's like, oh, the numbers has barely moved. In fact, it's gone down. Why would it go down? Pat. So yes, ESPN, give me more Pat McAfee. I want him all over the place. Because the more overexposure we get, the quicker he's out of here.